Hello everyone. Now we are going to understand how to install compiler of C++ to use it and do it correctly. Firstly, we will go on the website to be on searching. You mostly have the people have Chrome browser. Likely you have to search MinGw, or you can download also. You can write that the first source force. You can just click on download. You will see that within 5 seconds it will start downloading in your directory and it's done because it's only of 84.5 GB only. And you just has to go on install, continue. If you want to change your directory, you can easily change it. Now continue. Basically, I have the MinGw installed in previous, but I reinstall it for you and just it will be going on continuous. Let's be on screen. It will take some time. You can see because all the directories and all the packages of and headers, footers, file handling, all the things I will go continue. This I have selected things. You can see C, G, C, C, A, D, A, base, toolkits, or Fortran, you can leave it. C, G++, Object C. Of base, you have selected that, so the both are the same. But something that is the difference of MinGw installer and the MS installer. And just go on installation, update catalogs, apply changes, you have to click. First, I have to complete that. Just close installation and just quit. And now it's time to see you have basically completed or not. If you go on the CMD font and open, you can easily see that G++ version that you can see MinGw.org DCC 6.8 603 free software foundation. This is the free software that you can't copy that. Yes, it means you have successfully installed it. Now it's time to set the path. Just you have to write edit edit the system environment variable. Just you have click and just go on the environment variable. You have to set the path upon it. So go on the first of your file. There your downloads of the MinGw. I have only installed that you in the C directory I have installed it. That you can see MinGw and bin. Here you can basically address the copy the address. Just to copy the address and then go on the path, edit it. You can see this is MinGw. I have already added. You can select a new one and just control V and you can edit it. But right now I have done it. So it's okay. Just go ahead and then this is now in down. You can also see in the system variable also there is a path. In both you have to change user variable for HP and the system variables path. And here also you can click edit and here you can say I have added or you can just click new and just edit control V. That's its go. Or you can just be on that and that's MinGW path has set for it to easily execute it that the system can understand it. So I will always suggest to use VS Code. In my point of view, VS Code is the best. And here we can do it. Uh, Open a folder. You can also make a folder for it as per your want. That's CPP folder. Okay, just create it. Okay, basically I have. So we have to create a new open a folder or so basically come. I want to show you the new. Just I'm clicking new folder. This is for the you only you folder. Just basically and just go on VS Code open folder. I'm selecting that. I've created new no new folder selected folder. and that's it. Yes, I trust. As per you see, it's always update. Here we can say u dot cpp. That cpp is for saying that it's a C++ language. In, for going on this, you can easily understand. Firstly, we can write the header, include IO stream using name is sorry. Name is std. Just basically the name. Or int main. We are writing in, you always know it, and just see out. When see you can write see out, or you can write hello, hello everyone. That's and you have written the int, so you have also know that it's the int, so you must have to write the return 0. If anyone don't will understand it, this is a header, and for you, you have to understand the using name space std for this, or you can easily the line also at time of there also you can write std. But it's the once you have read, you can use all over the statement, so it's easy to use. And int means count, and this is was the constant char. Here you can see it will showing the character 15. Hello everyone. When you over it, it show all the data. And return 0, you basically have written in, so it's showing that. And you come down and you just click no problem this icon. You get this slides. Here you can say output, debugger console, and terminal also is you can see here. When you click in the terminal, you say we have the directory is D U, folder is U, and in it we get it. Just say C++, that's, and we are writing file name du dot cpp. Just enter it. It will make and that you can say a dot exe. Just you have to enter XML forward slash e and just enter. Hello everyone. You can easily understand by this is another example. Though basically I have made it. Just you want to clear your terminal. You just clear enter. You get clear and just C plus plus and just you have to vsec dot cpp enter and this auto before compilation only taking just you have say sec a dot exe I have recruited so dot or backslash a and just enter. This is your enter your the age of you. My age is 22. I just enter your age is 22 and that's all. I basically made this understandable. So I think this is easy to understand and very helpful to you. Thank you.